Hey everyone, it's Tyler here, and welcome to another adventure.
Welcome to Austria, a land where history, culture, and nature intertwine harmoniously to create a timeless beauty. From the towering peaks of the Alps to the historic streets of Vienna, Austria captivates the heart and mind with its stunning landscapes, rich heritage, and artistic legacy. Join me as we embark on a journey through this enchanting country. Austria, nestled in the heart of Europe, shares borders with 8 countries: Germany, Czech Republic, Slovakia, Hungary, Slovenia, Italy, Switzerland, and Liechtenstein. This central location has made Austria a cultural and political crossroads for centuries, influencing its art, music, and architecture. The country is known for its deep-rooted history, shaped by the mighty Habsburg Empire, which reigned for over 600 years. Our journey begins in Vienna, Austria's capital, and a city synonymous with imperial grandeur and classical music. Vienna was once the seat of the Habsburg monarchy, and its opulent palaces, grand boulevards, and museums still reflect the city's glorious past. The Hofburg Palace, a sprawling complex that once housed emperors, now serves as the official residence of Austria's president. Walking through its halls, you can almost hear the echoes of royal banquets and see the lavish balls that once filled these chambers. Vienna is also home to St. Stephen's Cathedral, an iconic Gothic structure that towers above the city's skyline. With its stunning spire and intricate stonework, the cathedral is a symbol of Vienna's architectural prowess. As you wander through the historic streets of the city center, a UNESCO World Heritage Site, you'll be transported back in time by the Baroque architecture, cobblestone streets, and horse-drawn carriages that evoke a bygone era. Vienna's contribution to classical music is unmatched. This city was the home of musical giants like Wolfgang Amadeus Mozart, Ludwig van Beethoven, and Johann Strauss. Even today, the melodies of these legendary composers fill the air in Vienna's concert halls and opera houses. The Vienna State Opera, one of the most famous opera houses in the world, continues to host performances that attract audiences from around the globe. Whether you're a seasoned enthusiast or a casual listener, Vienna's music scene is a treasure trove waiting to be discovered. Leaving Vienna, we head west to Salzburg, the birthplace of Mozart and a city that seems to have sprung straight out of a fairy tale. Nestled at the foot of the Alps and straddling the Salzach River, Salzburg is known for its stunning Baroque architecture, which is beautifully preserved in its old town, another UNESCO World Heritage Site. The Hohensalzburg Fortress, perched high on a hill, dominates the city's skyline and offers breathtaking views of the surrounding mountains and valleys. Salzburg is not only famous for Mozart, but also for being the backdrop to the beloved movie, The Sound of Music. Fans from all over the world come to visit the locations where scenes from this iconic film were shot. The lush green meadows, the picturesque Mirabel Gardens, and the majestic Untersberg Mountain, all of these places bring the magic of The Sound of Music to life. No journey through Austria would be complete without experiencing its natural wonders. The Austrian Alps, with their snow-capped peaks and rolling meadows, offer some of the most spectacular scenery in Europe. In the winter, these mountains transform into a paradise for skiers and snowboarders. Austria is home to some of the world's best ski resorts, including St. Anton, Kitzbühel, and Zell am See. Whether you're an adrenaline junkie or simply seeking the peace of the alpine wilderness, the Austrian Alps provide the perfect backdrop for adventure and relaxation alike. During the summer months, the Alps take on a different kind of beauty. The snow melts to reveal lush green meadows filled with wildflowers, and the crystal-clear lakes reflect the towering peaks. Austria's extensive network of hiking and cycling trails allows you to explore this natural beauty up close. From casual strolls through alpine villages to challenging climbs up steep mountain paths, there's something for everyone in Austria's great outdoors. But Austria's charm isn't just found in its big cities and grand landscapes. The country's villages, with their wooden chalets, flower-filled balconies, and friendly locals, offer a glimpse into traditional Austrian life. Villages like Hallstatt, with its lakeside setting and quaint atmosphere, seem like they belong in a postcard. These rural areas preserve Austria's customs, from the art of crafting traditional dirndls and lederhosen to celebrating folk festivals with lively music and dance. Austria also has a strong cafe culture that's an integral part of daily life. The tradition of sipping a Viennese coffee, accompanied by a slice of Zaratorta, a rich chocolate cake, is a cherished ritual. Cafes in cities like Vienna and Salzburg aren't just places to grab a quick drink, they're social hubs where people gather to talk, read, and relax. Some of these historic cafes have been serving guests for centuries, and stepping inside one is like taking a step back in time. Austria's charm is perhaps most magical during the winter holiday season. The country's Christmas markets, or Christkindlmarkt, are renowned for their festive atmosphere. Town squares transform into winter wonderlands, filled with twinkling lights, wooden stalls selling handmade gifts, and the delicious scent of roasted chestnuts and mulled wine. These markets are a cherished Austrian tradition, where locals and visitors alike come together to celebrate the holiday season. As our journey through Austria comes to an end, it's clear that this small but remarkable country offers a diverse tapestry of experiences. From its imperial cities to its towering mountains, from the melodies of Mozart to the peaceful rhythm of village life, Austria invites you to slow down, savor the moment, and immerse yourself in its beauty. Whether you're drawn to Austria for its history, its culture, or its natural splendor, you'll find that this country leaves a lasting impression on all who visit. So, until we meet again, auf Wiedersehen, goodbye from Austria, where every corner tells a story, and every vista takes your breath away. Image prompt for thumbnail: generate a scenic thumbnail capturing the essence of Austria with a montage. The image should feature an elegant combination of the Austrian Alps with snow-capped peaks, the vibrant streets of Vienna, showcasing St. Stephen's Cathedral, and a glimpse of Salzburg with its fortress in the background. Incorporate elements like classical music notes subtly flowing across the sky, symbolizing the nation's musical heritage. A traditional Austrian village should be nestled within the landscape to highlight the rural charm. The title Austria, a symphony of nature and history, can be displayed at the bottom with elegant, classical typography.